Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about first and second equation of motion. We have derived first and second equation of motion graphically. Today we will derive the third equation of motion. This is third equation of motion. V square equals u square plus 2as. It is third equation of motion. So we have the same figure as we have in previous lecture. Here we can see that now here we have to calculate displacement also as distance also, as we have solved or derived in first second derivation or second equation. Here we have the distance traveled equal to area of trapezium OABC. So area of trapezium is 1/2 sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them. Okay. Here sum of parallel sides 1/2 means here parallel sides are OA and BC. Here OA plus BC. Okay. Multiplied by distance between them. Here distance between them is OC. Here we have 1/2. OA here is U initial velocity and BC V final velocity, multiplied by distance between them, it is T. So students, here from this equation V square is equal to U square plus 2s, also this relation is called distance or displacement speed or velocity relation or displacement velocity relation. Velocity relation. So here we have to remove time t, and we have removed time t from equation first. We have from equation first v is equal to u plus at or v minus u is equal to at, and here from this for equation first t is equal to v minus u upon a. So on putting the value of t in here, we get 1 by s equals, here distance traveled is s equals 1/2 u plus v multiplied by v minus u upon a. Here it is of the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which equals a square minus b square. So here s equals 1/2 v square minus u square upon 2a. On cross multiplying, we get what? 2as equals v square minus u square, implies v square equals u square plus 2as, hence derived. So we have derived here a third equation of motion. Now we will discuss about the types of motion on the basis of path. So we have here a linear equation and circular motion. We have two types of motion. Types of motion. Motion on the basis of path taken by the object. So first one is linear motion and other one is circular motion. So students, here linear means the path covered by an object for motion is straight, then it is said to be linear path. Means when a object or body covers or motion of a particle along a straight line, you can easily explain that motion of a particle along a straight line or path is said to be in linear motion. While what about circular motion? Motion of a particle along a curve or circular path or along a circle is said to be circular motion. Let us take examples of linear motions and circular motions. Here example of linear motion will be running of a bicycle, a car, a bike, a train, etc. Means running of a bicycle on road, a car on road, a bike on road, and a train on its track is said to be in linear motion. Why? What are the examples of circular motion? So here examples of circular motion will be motion of the earth around sun, or second example also we take here motion of satellites around the planets. Means this is the when motion of earth is around sun, it is said to be in circular motion, as the trajectory or path is just as we taken as curve or circular path. Also motion of moon around earth, and moon is natural satellite of earth, so it moves on a circular path around earth. So this type of motion are known as circular motion. We have to discuss one more topic after it, which is uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion. So here uniform linear motion and here uniform circular motion. What is uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion? So we discuss here about uniform linear and uniform circular motion, also the differences between uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion. So students, here the difference between uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion is that here in uniform linear motion the direction of the object while moving does not change. Means here direction of motion does not changes. But in uniform circular motion, here direction of motion changes continuously. This is the unique or this is the main difference between uniform linear motion and uniform circular